Happy Sunday, guys. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go live with this video for the Daredevil 158 CBCS 9.2 slab. There we go. I'm showing live. We got a local time at 1:40 here. Let's go over and we'll do the world clock. We got a 140, 141, 141 just switched over. And I have our things all set up, our giveaways all set up. Here it is, 195 spots. I did catch an error earlier. Philip had only 4 here. I did correct this where he does have the 5 there. Just pointing that I moved it all downward. So Alright, I just double checking that really quick. Sometimes the edit doesn't take. So there you have it. Again, double check the time real quick. Alright, here we go. We're going to begin this giveaway. 3 dice rule. 11. We're going to randomize 11 times. Top spot takes his book. Good luck, everybody. First round. Second. 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7, 8, 9. That's the 10th. All right, guys. Top spot takes the book home, and your winner is. Fuck! You gotta be fucking kidding me! This fucking guy's got a horseshoe shoved so far up his ass. Congratulations, spot number 57, Adrian APM Malloy. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but you are winning like fucking mad. Come down. VCB ONR. That's the verification code. 11 rounds. 143, 143, 143. We are done. Winner, shoot me a PM. Thanks again, guys.